Hi everybody, welcome to Singing Assembly, and this might be the last one because we are coming back to school next week, which is super good news. I'm really happy, and I know that the rest of the teachers are too. So we're going to start with warming up our faces. Can you give your face a massage? We have to warm up our faces when we sing. Use good old rub-a-dub-dub. Okay, blow me some raspberries. Ready? Good. Another one. Big breath. Another one. Big breath. One more. Big breath. Brilliant. Okay, let's roll our shoulders, because when we've got to get nice and relaxed, roll our shoulders 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we've got to sit up. We're going to sing outwards. I'm going to keep our heads up and our heads lifted up. How about we do big breaths? We're going to hold them for 5. Ready? So nice big breath and hold it for 5. Another one. And then one more. Well, that's really good. Well done. I can feel my face nice and warm. Good. I'm ready for singing. Excellent. Okay, let's warm up our vocal cords, just like we have to warm up when we do our sports and our exercise with Mr. Suarez Mystery. We have to warm up this bit down here, okay? It's a muscle and we have to warm it up. Okay, shall we sing Mr. Mystery's Eminem song, yeah, for the last time? Okay, Mr. Mystery made me mash my M&Ms. Mr. Mystery made me mash my M&Ms. I'm going to really pronounce Mr. Mystery made me mash my M&Ms. And breaths, deep breaths, all right? Don't forget. Okay, because then I won't forget. Mr. Mystery made me mash my M&Ms. 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 Higher. Mr. Mystery made me mash my M&Ms. Mr. Mystery made me mash my M&Ms. Mr. Mystery made me mash my M&Ms. High, low pitch, high pitch, low. Let's see if you can do it. Where my hand is and see if you can sing. Ready? Where? Okay, ready? After 3. Good. Good. Good, low. High. What about here? About the middle. Low. High. Very good. I like it. You've warmed up your voices. Good. Okay, let's do elevator, elevator. Elevator, elevator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elevator, elevator, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Excellent. Okay. Now I thought today we'd do some fun, I call them party songs, because they're just fun rhymes and songs that you might sing at a party, because it's our last week in the bubbles. It's our last week and we will all be back at school. So that's something good, isn't it, to celebrate? Okay. And also, reception are doing addition and subtraction. So this song is about subtraction. Who likes flying saucers and spacemen and planets and the moon? I do. So this is about 5 little men. You put 5 fingers up. 5 little men in a flying saucer flew around the world one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. And then we go 4 little men in a flying saucer. Do you know this song? Because you might know it. Okay, ready? 5 little men in a flying saucer flew around the world one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. 4 little men in a flying saucer flew around the world one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. How many's left? 3 little men in a flying saucer flew around the world one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. How many's left? 2 little men in a flying saucer flew around the world one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. Nice deep breath. 1 little man in a flying saucer flew around the world one day. He looked left and right, but he didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. There's none left. Okay, good. Also, I just wondered if you like this one. Do you like If You're Happy and You Know It? Do you know that one? I'll tell you what, before we do that, let's do head, shoulders, knees and toes. And do you remember with head, shoulders, knees and toes? It goes head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And then you don't say head. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And then you don't say shoulders. Knees and toes, knees and toes. And you don't say knees. Toes, toes. And you don't say toes. You just have to remember what you don't sing. Okay, you ready? Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And went wrong. Miss Jones, silly sausages, I went wrong. Should we start again? Let's go from head, shoulders, let's do no shoulders, ready? Knees and toes, knees and toes. Knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Toes, knees and toes. No knees. No knees. Toes, toes. Toes, toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Toes. This time it's nothing. Ready? And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Let's do it really fast. You ready? You should do it really fast. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Well done. Okay, The last one we're going to do is another happy song. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. What else can we do? Clap our hands. You can stamp your feet and nod your head. Should we do that? Clap our hands, feet, nod our head. Hands, feet, nod. Should we do that? Hands, feet, nod. Yeah? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, nod your head. Last one. You can do whatever you like. I'll leave it blank and then you can do what you want to do. Ready? If you're happy and you know it. If you're happy and you know it. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it. That's really great. Okay. I want you to have a lovely week. I've loved singing with you, and we will all be back together next week at school. Yay!